Welcome to Learning Theory. In part 1 of this series, we looked at what chord tones and guide tones are. Today, we're going to look at what passing tones are and how you can write more involved melodies. Let's get started. Passing tones are melody notes that are used to pass between two chord tones. Passing tones are not chord tones, but are notes that are usually diatonic to the key. If you're in the key of D major, you can use any note from the D major scale as a passing tone. They are very effective when you have an interval distance of a third between two notes, which is why they pair so well with chord tones. For example, here's a melody using only chord tones. And here's one that adds passing tones between those chord tones. There's another way to use passing tones, and that's using chromatic tones between two notes a whole step apart. Here's an example where the first time will be a melody using chord tones, but the second time we'll use chromatic notes to link some notes a whole step apart. And that's it. Passing tones are a helpful tool because you create smooth motion in your melody compared with only using chord tones. I hope this video helps you in your songwriting process, and thank you for watching.